in our lovely home with our baby Ezra, and this will be our first ever video wherein we will do the unboxing.
Yes.
Yay! And what do we got here? This one, actually these things are some of the presents that I received from my wife for my birthday. Thank you, Mommy, for these presents.
Welcome. Sa'yo rin galing sa wallet mo.
Okay, no, but it really came from her. Okay, so this is GoPro 8. We did some research across YouTube and across the internet, and we found out that GoPro 8 is the best action camera that fits to our purpose. Mommy, what's our purpose? Why we decided that we want GoPro 8?
Yeah. Of course, to capture our upcoming travel, but not this time.
Not yet in year 2020.
And then, syempre, para kay baby,
Yes, to capture the improvements, the milestones of our baby Ezra, who is growing so quickly and fast. Okay, Mommy. So let's share first what are the features of GoPro 8. Perhaps you can read.
Okay. So in terms of camera, 12 megapixel, and then 4K siya. Ayan. 4K. Yan yung pinakamaganda 4K.
Yeah, I love here is the 8 times slow-mo.
Slow-mo.
So, abangan natin kung ano yung gagawin namin slow-mo videos. It has hyper smooth.
Yun.
What is hyper smooth?
Like my face. Parang hindi yata. Joke. Ano ba? Hyper smooth. Kahit, pwede mo gamitin pag nag-jogging ka. So, parang wala lang. No.
Kikinis ako.
Hindi.
Hyper smooth daw eh. No, hyper smooth is a feature of GoPro 8 wherein even if you are in a strong motion or action, the video quality will not be bouncy. It will be just smooth. That's why it's called hyper smooth. Okay, then we also have time warp 2.0. What's time warp?
Time warp?
Time warp.
Parang time lapse.
Di ba sa ano to? Yung sa Power Rangers. Time Space 1. Ngayon din.
Oo, talaga ba? Pili.
Time warp. And we also have 1080p live streaming. So, sa mag-LS namin, sa maraming bananas.
Ito maganda, live burst.
Live burst. Then we also have Super Photo HDR. So, yun nga, photos rich siya. Raw, capture of video, and waterproof up to 10 meters. And it has GPS, so it can track us. Okay, so these are the features, Mommy, will be ours.
No.
Why? Why me?
It's yours.
Okay, so here, go to the bottom and then open. And here. Ready?
Yeah.
Yay!
Tingnan mo. Yung warranty, ilang years?
No, it didn't.
I think 2 years.
We can check it out.
Wow.
This is GoPro.
I'm so excited for
Be careful. Be careful.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oops. Try it for free. Unlimited cloud storage for your GoPro footage. Damage camera replacement. No questions asked.
Oh, wow.
Try it for free at GoPro Plus. Try it for free. Okay, so this is a damage camera replacement. So, some instructions how to use GoPro. Okay, let's be careful. Have questions, chat with GoPro support. We have some stickers, I believe. So these are stickers we can put in our selfie stick and all that.
Oh, yes.
Some manuals. What else we got here? believe this is a charger. What else?
Battery.
The battery. This is for I don't know what's the code. Let's read the manual later on. And that's it. That's all.
Stick on.
No, we can do it. Okay, Ezra is reacting to for the unboxing. Okay, so let's put it for a while here. So that's what we got for the GoPro packaging, and also we got this one needs a cam protection to protect the lens. It has 2mm ultra thin, and we also have a waterproof case. This is for GoPro Hero 8.
So nice.
Okay. Open this one.
And this one, hard pouch. GoPro, it can suit 5, 6, 7, and 8. So hard pouch. Perfect talaga.
Okay, perfect. And does it fit here? Check if it fits here. Is it too big? Oh, it's not too big.
Oh. I think.
Oh. Maybe this way.
Yeah.
This way. Okay.
Without
Without zipper. Yeah. Oh, not this way. This way.
oh yeah.
Yes, for the lens. We can figure this. Yeah, it's a bit hard. Oh, it doesn't fit. Yeah, maybe later. Okay, and finally we have this. The selfie stick. Oh no, it's a tripod. Three-way.
Three-way monopod
Tripod.
and stand. Yeah.
So you can see it can be as long as this one. Okay.
I think you cannot put this.
Oh, good. And this one, and I believe this is for the tripod. Oh yes, it is. Don't cry, baby. Here. So, mommy, it can stand on its own. The tripod. Yeah.
Yay!
So we are prepared. We are ready. Ready for action. So that's it. We got the GoPro 8, the tripod, the protector, and the baby doesn't want us to stay anymore. So that's it. Thank you guys for joining us in this unboxing. Take care. See you. God bless. Bye.
Kaya na nagbabay sa kakatungahimik ha?